I don't like being the bearer of bad news, and especially to you, but you've been lied to. You've been lied to about your body. You've been lied to about how you function, how you work inside. In this video, I want to share with you what you actually are and why your chronic pain, the pain you've been living with in your body, is not maybe what you think it is. So most of us have been taught that we are this physical thing, we are this body, we are this material form, and it has these biochemical reactions. We eat and ingest things, we take medicine, and there's a whole litany of chemical reactions that produce a result. And we think on a fundamental level that's who we are. So when we get sick or when we're in pain, we look outside of ourselves for an answer, a chemical, a drug, even an herb to help us change that chemical maybe imbalance inside of us, to produce something, hopefully a change. In the case of pain, to obviously remove the pain. That paradigm that we have been living in as human beings is coming to an end. So partly I want to invite you all, especially those of you that have been suffering with pain, into a new way of being, a new way of understanding who you are. And as a result of that understanding, you'll be able to look at yourself differently, feel differently, and ultimately change the patterns of disharmony inside you so you get out of pain and start feeling alive, thriving, loving yourself again in ways that might surprise you. So this fundamental difference that I'm pointing to, that we haven't been told the truth, is you are more of an electric being than you are a physical being. What do I mean by that? That the flow of who you are, as you move, you function through your body, all the responses from your digestion to how you breathe, to how mechanically you move your body, whether it is in health or whether it is in pain, the determining factor is actually more about the electricity, or what the ancient Chinese refer to as qi, flowing through the body. So when we think about this in the event of pain, say you have sciatic pain, you have this debilitating pain that shoots down your legs, that is very uncomfortable, can't sit still, it hurts to walk. Why is that happening? In part, it's because there's an imbalance there of how that conductivity and connection, that communication line of that electricity that flows through your nerves and flows through your soft tissue has been interrupted. So that's clearly what is happening there. Now we could say it's inflammation, the tissues are swollen, but really at a more fundamental level, it's because the energy, the electricity, the bioelectricity in your body is not moving in a correct pattern. It's not communicating to those nerves and again, those tissues efficiently. Something is inhibiting it. It could be a bone, it could be a bone spur, it could be an inflamed tissue, it could be all those things. But at the core, the electricity is not flowing in the proper manner. So at a fundamental level, this is what's happening. This is the same thing that's causing your heart to beat either in rhythm or out of rhythm, or to produce more buildup in your arteries or not. It all starts with this flow of bioelectricity. Again, chi. When you understand this, you'll look at your body differently. When you're in pain, you will look at your pain differently. Because in truth, the pain, whether it's an acute pain or a chronic pain, always comes back to this fundamental truth. So yes, I'm sure you've gone to the chiropractor, you've gone to the physical therapist, and maybe you've had some relief. That's great. If you are one of those people, congratulations. However, I'm not talking to those people. I'm talking to the ones that have done all those things, and yet you are still in pain. Yet you are still suffering chronically, and you don't know what to do about it. So again, on a fundamental level, you have to understand that this is basic electricity. When you get that, you'll understand my next point here, what you can do about it. Okay? So how our body functions with this electricity, this charge or voltage that goes through each and every cell, is what you are, is a part of your experience of being here in this body. And I could maybe even extend that a little further and say that that electricity, that chi, is an extension of your consciousness, of what you really are. Not the body, but this awareness. And anytime there is some type of blockage or disharmony in that electricity, it is somehow related to how the awareness is embodying inside this body. So when we are suffering from chronic pain, we can look to the area and say, this is the problem. But having worked with thousands of people over the last 20 years, I can assure you that is not the problem. That is simply just the smoke detector going off, letting you know there's a fire. The real problem is what you are, or maybe the lack of awareness that you're having inside your body. So what do I mean by that? I mean that if our attention is a product of our consciousness, which is woven into our bioelectric nature, then it's really a matter of where we're placing our attention. So, meaning that most people nowadays, attention is so outwardly driven, is so focused on things outside themselves, right? So we have so many new distractions and screens, dopamine hits from social media, so many things available to us. And then on top of that, we have all our responsibilities with our jobs, our family life, etc. But how much of that attention every day do you give back to yourself? And let me be clear, when I say giving your attention back to yourself, that doesn't mean worrying about yourself, being in fear about yourself, have an anxiety about yourself and your situation. These are all, again, another form of distraction. What I'm talking about is that pure attention that is at rest inside yourself. How often do you give yourself? And I'm going to know the answer because I've worked with so many people, and I know for certain that most of you that are suffering with chronic pain, this is the number one problem. You are not giving yourself enough attention, the proper quality of attention. You might spend, like somebody more recently I've worked with chronic fatigue. And they say, I spend all the time with myself. I'm always lying down, I'm tired, I'm on the couch, I'm in bed. But when we investigate it further, what we find is that a lot of that attention, again, is in worry, is worrying about, will I ever get better? Is worrying about, am I doing the right thing? Is anticipating with anxiety about what's going to happen next. You see how that's all not the right quality of attention. The right quality of attention, and I know, trust me, I know, because I also suffer with chronic pain. It is hard to get that quality of restfulness, of attention inside. But here is the work that has to be done. Is what are you doing that's preventing you from actually going inside with that proper restful attention? That is my question to you and to all things that people are suffering with. Because at the heart of it, this will change your pain. The moment you give that quality of attention, immediately what happens? That electricity, that chi that I'm talking about, expands and moves and circulates and empowers the body in a way that only your attention can give. You can go to a place and get hooked up, sending electricity through your body. It's not the same thing. It requires your attention. So you do this by going inside. You do this by going to a beautiful place in nature where it's going to relax your nervous system, get you out of that stress response, get you out of those reactive emotions that you keep spiraling into, getting you here and now in this moment, feeling, being here at rest. And you'll know when you're at rest because your body starts to relax. The tissues inside start to expand. And as that happens, you will eventually transform your pain. Transform your pain into peace, into full resolution. This is the process of how we do it. In some ways, it is so simple, guys, that we miss it because we're always trying to find an answer somewhere else to fill the void in here. But with this strategy, I'm offering you really a daily practice of teaching you how to go inside, how to feel, how to be here fully. This, more than anything, will transform not just your chronic pain, but transform your life. So you're living more in a place of ease, abundance, and at peace. And who doesn't want that? I think in some way we're all longing for that, especially in this crazy time. So my suggestion is to practice this. If you need help with this, I have a 7 7-day Pain to Peace Toolkit below in the description. Grab that. It is a small, simple offer, but it will get you in the door. And if you're wanting more help, helping you, coach you through this, check out the link about working with me. I have a healing mentorship where I coach and teach people. I get you, really meet you where you're at, where you finding those blocks that are preventing you from actualizing this more and more in your life. So check that out. And if you want another one that's going to help support you, I recommend checking out this mini series about this one thing that you have to cultivate in your life that will really help as a catalyst begin this process of you really engaging and being with this chi, this electricity that you are. Check out this video. This will help you. Take care, everyone. I'll see you real soon. Bye now.